Welcome to Southeast Asia's largest event for the electronics industry. Well friends, I am covering the Electronica, Productronica and SEMICON India 2024 edition, which is happening from 11th to 13th of September at India Exposition Mart in Greater Noida. This landmark edition is its biggest edition of this event so far, hosting more than 830 exhibitors from over 29 countries. Well, this signifies the robust stature of India in the global electronics landscape. Let us go inside. There is some great content lined up for these 3 days, some great conference sessions, networking opportunities, business collaborations are happening inside. Let us go inside, speak to the exhibitors, give you the glimpses of this event, and we will also understand from the event organizer how this edition is poised, what are the key highlights and USP of this event. Come with me, and if you have not yet subscribed to Exhibition Showcase, please do subscribe, like and share the content, because we try to bring the latest content to you from the world of exhibition.
Hello, welcome. I'm Sriram Nandakumar. I'm representing Ortex Components. So we provide electronic components for critical applications like aerospace, defense, medical. We work with cutting edge technologies like AI-enabled machine learning chips. We work with a startup called SEMA.ai. So we are trying to adopt, technologies which are used in mission critical applications and trying to expand into other sectors like medical, critical sectors. We are based in Israel, and we have sales force across the US, Israel, Philippines, and India. So we have had a good exhibition so far, and wishing everyone a good next few days.
Hi, this is Preeti from Semiconductors Private Limited. We are independent stockist and component distributor. We directly import from China and other countries and supply it all over India to all the electronic manufacturers, OEMs, ODMs, and which we all cater to industries such as automobiles and lighting, IoT, ROSMPS, BLDC fans and lightnings, and basically we provide all kinds of industrial electronic components to all the industries. And we are currently based out in 4 locations. Our headquarters is in Hyderabad, and I personally sit in Ahmedabad, and the other locations of our offices is in Jaipur, Delhi, Hyderabad as I mentioned, and Ahmedabad. You can directly contact me on website. My website is www.semiconductors.com. You can find my number there. You can place an order directly, or you can email it to me. All the details are on my website.
My name is Michael. I work for Starteam Global. We are a PCB manufacturer. We have factories in China, in Thailand, and now in Italy. We manufacture PCBs up to, depending on the location, up to 16 layers or even up to 30-something layers. We're a German-owned company, and we have a global sales network all over Europe, Asia, and the US.
Hello everyone, I am Harshal Pawar from Sumida Corporation. Basically, Sumida is a Japanese company. We are a coil-related company. Basically, our main job is to support the Indian electric vehicle industry. In Indian electric vehicle industry, we wanted to have support our coil-related technology. Sumida since last 70 years is working on inductive technology. In today's era, as the EV is growing, the electric vehicle technology, India is not so have that kind of technology where the EV or where the magnetic parts are very prominent. Where Sumida we have having a very huge experience about the magnetic technology. We have our power inductors, we have our customized transformers, we have a pulse transformer. So these are the parts which are going for two-wheeler, three-wheeler and four-wheeler electric vehicle, like DC-DC converter, on-board charger, off-board charger, battery management system, isolated, non-isolated, where we can give our various different products. If you wanted to contact us, you can contact us directly through our website, sumida.co.in. Thank you.
My name is Rachna Huja. I am the director and chairperson of Electronics. We are manufacturers and distributors of industrial electronics, mainly dealing with electronic vehicles and telecom. Telecom is our legacy business, which is on auto mode. So we are pioneers in the EV space in India, where we introduced EV at a very, very early stage. And today, due to our performance and highly technical products, we are providing EV components to all the major four-wheeler players such as Tata Motors, Mahindra, MG and Stellantis. And we are also successfully in the two-wheeler space. We have put up a stall here to showcase our industrial components. And since morning we have visitors and senior people from the industry who have met us and have shown great interest in our product. And I think this is a very good exhibition to showcase our products and services.
So friends, now we are standing with two very senior professionals, very senior executives from the organizing team from SEMICON India. Thank you for giving us time from your busy schedule. What an incredible day it has been. Kindly introduce us to our audiences.
Hi Raghav, thank you. My name is Tanmay Paul and I am the Chief Operating Officer at SEMICON India. And we have been organizing Electronica and Productronica India for over 17 years now.
Wow. What about you, sir?
Hi, thanks Raghav. I am Rajiv Wadhwa. I am the Group Project Director for Electronica India and Productronica India.
Okay, so day one, remarkable achievements. What are your observations about the importance of this industry as a whole? How India is being positioned as a global hub, major hub for the manufacturing of semiconductors and for the electrical industry?
I think we realized the importance of electronics a couple of years back. And the major boost to the industry happened after 2014 when under the leadership of PM Mr. Modi, new policies were announced and we started seeing electronic manufacturing started developing in India. The vision was to make India as a manufacturing hub for electronics. And now we see that PM Modi's vision is to make India as a manufacturing hub for semiconductor and display systems. Okay, so I believe that PM's presence along with the various states' presence is a testimony to the fact that they are very much interested in attracting the investments from various countries, make India as a manufacturing hub. And there are countries, there are participation from over 29 countries at the show. Okay, so that signifies the importance of India as an attractive market.
According to you, what have been the key highlights of this edition of this event, and what are the, you can say, the major USP that industry should come and participate and attend this event now for the coming 2 days. And what have been the kind of statistics if we talk about the number of exhibitors, the kind of participation from global countries, and the overall growth of this event as compared to its previous edition?
Raghav, as you rightly mentioned in the introduction, this has been a landmark year for Electronica India and Productronica India. Last year was our biggest edition till 2023. Now I am proudly saying that this is the biggest edition, and we have grown about 50% more than 2023. So this year we had participation from 830 plus companies, and over about maybe 6,000-7,000 brands are being showcased across three days. We are expecting more than 50,000 business visitors to visit us across 3 days. Numbers left aside, what this edition of Electronica Productronica India and the co-location with SEMICON India is doing is that it is allowing us to address the complete value chain of electronics, and that is what the industry should be here for. They can come on a single platform and cater to all their sourcing needs, be it semiconductors, be it components, passive components, be it manufacturing solutions, be it applications, be it demonstrations, live demonstrations, knowledge sharing. So there is a lot of activity happening across these 3 days. So the people should or the industry should come at a common platform, and that's what we are doing, enabling meaningful handshakes and unlocking business opportunities.
Absolutely. Can you also elaborate upon the major activities that you have planned for the 3 days? What are the kind of content programs? What are some of the other engagement activities you have built for the visitors to come and experience those things?
So over the 3 days, we have a buyer-seller forum, which we have been doing over the past many years now. That has become one of our USPs of Electronica Productronica. So we are expecting around 2,000 plus B2B meetings across 3 days to be happening at the show. Then we have knowledge-rich conferences sessions on semiconductor manufacturing, semiconductor design, electric mobility. We have conceptualized a conference called E-Future, which talks about the futuristic technologies which don't exist today but which will drive the future, let's say 4 or 5 years down the line. So these are some of the interesting engagement programs that we have conceptualized this year. One of the good things also which we are doing this year is we are giving market access to the companies who are startups or who are MSMEs through innovation forums, so they can have their product presentations, they can learn and they can demonstrate their solutions, they can see the demonstrations from multinational companies also. It's a mix and match kind of thing. So we are providing a platform. The industry should come forward and use it.
Absolutely. Lastly, what message you would like to give to our audiences and to the industry at large?
I believe that if you are a manufacturer of electronics, or if you are into a trade channel, okay, you are a distributor, and if you are looking for the best in class technology for either manufacturing of your equipments or as a trade channel, you want to source any components or production technologies, you will see companies from across the globe have participated here. There are industry expert, entire electronic industry has come together, and this is the best time to network, to source the best components and grow your own business, improve your supply chain, cut down your costs, and make India a manufacturing hub. So I invite everybody who is into manufacturing or into trade channel or into electronics or semiconductor business, come meet all of the exhibitors, network and grow your business.
You can bet on India when the chips are down. Well, these very words were addressed by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi today while inaugurating the SEMICON. Currently, I am at the hall where SEMICON India is happening. The event has been demarcated very nicely, where it is being positioned in different halls differently, where we are having the SEMICON India happening in various halls. We are having the Electronica Productronica in various halls, and then we are having the conference sessions at some other halls.
We are a Japanese company So basically, we are manufacturer of AEC tapes for the semiconductor band process. Yeah, so we also supply equipments. So basically, we are technical service provider for materials and machines. Yeah, for the pre-assembly process.
Hi Danny, can you tell us about your company and what you are showcasing at this event?
Yeah, sure. We represent Carl Zeiss, Germany, and we completed 27 years of our Indian direct presence. And we have a very good ecosystem for the complete semiconductor manufacturing, right from back end of the line to the front end of the line.
Okay. And how do you feel the potential of this industry in India?
That's a good question. So, semicon has become a big buzzword in India, to be honest. But if you see, there are two different verticals for semicon. One is fab and foundry level, where they start manufacturing the devices right from the scratch, and the other one is components and assembly of components like electronic devices like smartphones, smart devices, and electronics of that sort. So in India, we already witness big players already establishing their facility. For instance, like Tata Electronics, Foxconn, Apple is also getting into in India. So we have already partnered with them for providing the solutions for their quality inspection. So to put it under a common umbrella, I think for contract manufacturing for assembly and packaging, the scope and the market is already well established. That's exactly where it is going. It's moving forward. And looking at the semicon devices, companies like Micron, and we also see Tower Semiconductor also coming into the picture. I think for DRAMs and some of the components for the semicon applications, I think that's also getting well established in India.
Absolutely. And today is the day one of this event. How would you rate the significance of this event for the entire industry?
I would say it's an important milestone, looking at the India's vision for semicon and the roadmap that our Honorable Prime Minister